A customer database is a fundamental component of CRM systems, serving as the repository for customer information and interactions. In the Data section of the CRM system, you can access the Customer module, which contains a table displaying customers and suppliers associated with the company. To add a new customer, simply click the Add Customer button, which will open an empty form for defining the type of entity you are entering into the system. Enabling the Is Company toggle combines the name and surname fields into a single title field. Enabling the Is Supplier toggle reveals additional fields specific to suppliers. You can also use the Is Enabled toggle to control whether the entry is active in the system. Entries marked as Is Buyer include extra fields and are identified as VAT payers. Once this initial setup is complete, you can proceed to enter the customer's data. Keep in mind that fields marked with a star are required, and a customer's data cannot be saved in the database without filling them out. Name is mandatory, since it is the primary customer identifier, and code is necessary to ensure uniqueness among customers. The CRM system is integrated with Biznode, facilitating faster entry of customer data. To use this functionality, input the customer's VAT number in the appropriate field and press Enter. Available data will be automatically imported into the system. The postal field provides a code list of imported postal codes. To import postal codes into the code list, navigate to the Administration section, click on Code List, and select postal codes from the list. By clicking Add, you can manually enter postal codes into the list. Additionally, by clicking Import, you can effortlessly import code lists from different countries with just a few clicks. Once all data is entered, click Add Customer to save it in the system. The newly added customer will now appear in the table, and you can access their information by clicking on their entry. This opens a customer card displaying the previously entered details. If you need to add more information or customize views, you can create and modify views, which are explained in detail in another video on layouts. The view we are presenting includes various widgets, each with unique function. These widgets encompass the following features: contacts for storing customer connections, notifications for sending messages and notifications to the customer, creation info to track when the customer was added, tasks for creating tasks and setting reminders for customer interactions, files for storing customer-related documents and images, connected documents to view all documents linked to the customer, related emails for a list of emails sent by the customer to the company, newsletter list for tracking newsletters to which the customer is subscribed. Now let us go through a more thorough presentation of each widget. The Contacts and Connected Users widget has a list of contact information that is available for inspection and editing. To add a new contact, click Add Contact, fill in the information and click Add Contact. On the Connected Users list are CRM users. By clicking on them, you are taken to their profiles. You can connect users by clicking Add Users. With notifications, we can send pre-prepared templates directly to customers via email or SMS messages. Here, we can see that the notification list is empty, so let's go through the process of creating one. Go to Administration, click Notification Templates, and add a notification template. Fill in the title, define the sending type, and fill in the email subject title that will be seen by the receiver. In the left field, write the message body. Now let's take a quick look at an exemplary message. We can see that it includes a code in brackets. This is a dynamic field, which in this case is used for the automatic embedding of a customer title. More information on dynamic fields can be obtained in another video on dynamic fields. In the Model widget, you define in which module this template will be used and what kind of dynamic fields it has to fill out. In our case, we connect it to the Customers module. Lastly, you can add attachments to the template. They can be in the form of a URL link, media files, or document templates. Save the template, and it is ready to use. Now you can go back to the customer, choose your template, and click Send. Sent notifications can be seen on the list. Tasks can be used in several ways. To learn more about them, go to watch another video. To add a new task, click Add Task. Fill out the name, status, and priority. Then, pick the assignee for the task. This field can be used when defining the recipient of the task notification. Also, be careful with connected customers, as they too can be used as recipients of the task notification. Now you can add a reminder to the task. This is used as a tool that enables timed sending of notifications. Fill in the title, define the recipient, pick a notification template, and set the reminder date. To the Files widget, you can attach files connected to the customer. Simply click Upload and pick a file. In the Connected Documents widget, you can see all documents in the system that are connected to this customer. From here, you can also start the creation of new documents. In the Newsletter widget, you can add customers to the newsletter lists of the external provider SqualorMail. To integrate SqualorMail with your CRM, go to Settings and click on the Licensing page. Log in with the admin account, go to Plugins, and set SqualorMail as the data provider. Now, you're presented with a field for the API key. To get an API key, go to your SqualorMail account, click on Connections, select Connection through API, and create a key. To make the key work, copy it, go back to Licensing, and paste the key into the API key field. Click on Update Company CRM. And now you're able to add customers to newsletter lists through the CRM.